Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your internal microphone is missing and not appearing on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select Other Troubleshooters. And then you want to go down underneath Other and select where it says Recording Audio and select Run. And if it's able to locate or identify the issue, hopefully it'd be able to resolve it at that point. So you can go ahead and close out of here. Something else I recommend trying as well would be to open up the search menu again, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in, hit enter, and this will launch the hardware and devices troubleshooting utility. So you can close out the command prompt at this time and select next. And if it's able to identify or resolve an issue through here, hopefully at this point it should be able to fix it. And then once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your computer. And now that we're back in Windows, something else we can try as well. If we open up the search menu, type in Control Panel, best result should come back with Control Panel here. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select Sound, select the Recording tab, and then if you see multiple devices in here, you might want to right click and then set as default the proper microphone device. However, if you don't see it in here, you can try right-clicking in a blank area on this page and make sure Show Disabled Devices is checkmarked as well as Show Disconnected Devices. So that's a nice little trick that they don't really make it obvious here, I would say. So definitely something else you can explore. And then playback too, you can do the same thing. I know we're talking about microphones in today's tutorial, but the same would be true for speaker or playback devices as well. And some would say that a microphone, if you have a headset, could be a speaker device as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.